James, come say hello.
Hello guys, my name is James. How are you? Hey, have you heard that?
What?
There is a monster here in the city.
Oh, really? A monster? Oh my god, that's so scary.
Yes, it's a very big monster.
Oh, Mr. Blue, what are you doing here?
Okay, I have to go home.
Oh my god, I'm so scared I have to go home as well.
A monster? Oh my god. I'm so scared I have to go as well. Doo.
Oh my god, what is this? I can feel something. Ah! Oh my god, a monster!
Don't be scared. I'm a very nice monster. I can do a lot of nice things. See my eye? There. I'm so friendly. I can be your friend as well.
Oh, really? My friend?
Yes, but I am very hungry now. Please take me to the city. I wanna eat something. Please.